How to find your first digital marketing client. Okay, I know some of you might be struggling to land your first digital marketing client, right? I've been there, I went through many final no's. You've learned the skills, maybe you even built a portfolio, and now you're ready to get paid. But no one is biting. No responses, no clients, just those empty emails which you do not get responded to. Here is the truth. Most beginners don't land clients just because they do not know how to position themselves, or they are simply waiting instead of reaching out. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and win your first digital marketing client. Believe me, it's not a rocket science, even if you have no experience or testimonials yet. And to make it easier for you, I've linked a free pack of email outreach templates. You can start using them today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you are here with me watching this video. I post here consistently, and you will be able to get updates on digital marketing skills. Okay, let's dive in. I've been in the digital marketing since 2018, and I went through many objections of the clients and final no's. I've learned a lot of lessons, and I hope everything what I'm going to share today will be super valuable and you will start implementing it as soon as now. Step 1. Start with a small local businesses. Forget chasing big companies or cold messaging influencers with 50,000 followers. Your first clients are likely right in your neighborhood. Think about local cafes and restaurants and small barbershops, beauty salons, yoga studios and gyms, something which you are using as a customer or which you just passing by every day. These can be even a grocery store where you buy bread every day, pet groomer where you groom your cat, or any other location which can be treated as business. That's it, that's all what you need. Local service providers, these businesses almost always need help with things like social media content, paid ads, digital marketing. They are all the time struggling to delegate those things to somebody because they're all the time busy selling the product or selling their services. They probably just need basic SEO or updating their website or running a few local ads or doing some video editing for them, creating a newsletter for the community or promo campaigns, which they definitely do not have the time to do with their own hands because they're just small local businesses, and most of them even do not have time to look for the perfect candidates and hire someone to do the interviews. They do not have the skills to set it by themselves and do not have the time to delegate it to somebody. So you come in not as a marketer, but as someone who can genuinely help grow their visibility and bring in more customers. Step 2, offer a free audit or consultation. Now you might be thinking, why would anyone hire me if I do not have experience? Here's how you get around that. Give first, then pitch. Reach out and offer a free marketing audit that could be reviewing the Instagram and suggesting the ways to improve engagement. You can't just simply DM people with these offer. Definitely will not get a 100% yes conversion, but at least somebody will definitely agree. You can offer the service of, let me check your website and point out SEO mistakes and how I can fix that. Auditing their Google business profile or Yelp listing. Go through email campaigns or ad campaigns and find some mistakes. Keep it simple, useful, and personalized. So do not do the same for every company that signs up for a free consultation. If you are not helpful, if you treat it just, oh, I'm just wasting my time, it's just a regular free consultation, no, it's not gonna work. Here's a simple pitch which you can send out as an offer for a free consultation. Hi, my name is Anna, I'm a marketer, and show the specific niche. I would like to offer you a free audit of your Instagram profile. During the consultation, I will go through 3 main points which you definitely need to change in order to increase the engagement rate and attract more followers. These kind of messages works best. It's personalized, relevant, and doesn't ask for anything right away. Step 3, turn the audit into a paid service. Once you send the audit and get a response, this is your opportunity to turn value into revenue. You follow up with something like, I'm glad my tips helped. If you want, I actually implement all of these for you and manage it moving forward. We could start with a simple 1-month test run or one-time project. Would that be helpful for you? Don't overthink pricing. if you are just getting started, you even can agree for volunteer work or for a relatively low price, or you can start with the packages like $200, $500 for a one-time project or $300 a month for ongoing social media help. It's a low risk for them and a chance for you to start building your portfolio. Just chill. In a couple of months, you will increase the rates. You're gonna be good. Step 4, get referrals and build momentum. Once you land that first client, your only job is to deliver and document. Over-deliver on results and communication. My rule number 1, I all the time over-deliver what I've promised. Then ask for a testimonial. If people do not expect you to do something and you do it on a positive way, they will be surprised and it will be more easier to get a case study or a testimonial, a video, a referral to other business owner they might know, or something that might help you to develop your network of potential clients. From one small gig, you can start building real traction, and that's how many six-figure freelancers and agency owners get their start. Now you're looking at the big companies, you're looking probably at our company, and you say, oh, you have so many online courses which you promote, you provide so many digital marketing services, but we have all started from scratch. And here's my personal advice. Use your personal network as well. Ask your friends, family, if they know anyone who owns a business. Your first client also can be connected to you on somehow way. It may be a friend of your friend, a brother of your friend, your colleague, and so on. Post about your skills online, share what you're learning on LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram. Let people know that you are available to take on work. The only way how that does not perform is when you stay at home, you are so smart and you are so talented, but no one knows about it. You can use such platforms like Upwork. Yes, there is a competition between freelancers, but if you focus on small, clear offers, for example, like Instagram strategy for local restaurants, you can stand out. You can apply for the offers, which you can find on Upwork, or you can create a good portfolio, record the video, and upload it on Upwork. Okay, let's recap the process to find your first digital marketing client. First thing, target small local businesses. They are accessible and often need help, but have low time on doing the interviews and delegating the work itself. Offer a free audit to provide value upfront. No hard sells, just useful, personalized advice. Free consultation. After that, offer for the first project. Pitch a simple service. Start small, super clear, and build trust. So many things not work just because you are overthinking it. When you explain everything in difficult words, just the business owner will not understand you. Then over-deliver the results, ask for testimonials, and ask for referrals. It's not about being the best marketer in the world, it's about just being active. I would even say proactive. It's about being helpful, visible, and consistent. So now, in the comments, let me know which type of business would you love to work first. Drop it in the comments. I might help you craft a pitch if you would like to. And if you are in the niche of online courses, if you've decided to go with this one, because I speak a lot on my channel about that, you can grab the guide on the description box below, which I have created specifically for you. It will guide you through a 7-day process how you can create your online course and sell it successfully. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what questions you currently have, and see you next time.